welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be using Oreo cookies and cream pudding mix, 5 eggs room temperature, 3 sticks of unsalted butter, Oreos, sugar, vanilla extract, salt, baking powder, soy milk because I don't drink cow milk, and we're going to be using cake flour. Okay guys, now I'm adding my 3 sticks of unsalted butter, and I'm going to let that mix for about 2 minutes. Let it get nice and creamy. Okay, now I'm about to add my 3 cups of sugar, y'all. I am adding this at a slow pace, and make sure you mix this for about 10 minutes because you want it to be light and fluffy. Okay guys, I'm about to add my 5 eggs, but I'm going to add them one at a time. Okay guys, now I'm about to add my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients. Make sure you start with your dry ingredients and you end with your dry ingredients. In my dry ingredients, I have my cake flour, my pudding mix, my salt, and my baking powder. And in my wet ingredients, I have my milk and my vanilla extract. Now you see me setting my oven to 325. Okay, now I'm going to add in some of my crushed Oreos. Do not add all of them because you want some to put on top of your cake and you want some to put in your glaze. Okay, I got my pan. Now I'm about to add my baker's jar. You guys, if you're a baker or if you're new to baking, this is a must-have. Okay, now I'm just making sure it's mixed in real good, and then I'm going to pour it into my pan. Okay, now I'm going to shake it a little bit, not a whole lot because I don't want my cookies to drop. So I'm just going to shake it just a little bit to release some of those air bubbles, and then I'm going to pop it in the oven. Okay guys, now we're going to add about 3 cups of powdered sugar. Now I'm adding about 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, now you're going to add 1 tablespoon of clear vanilla flavoring. Now that our cake is cooled, I am going to pour some of our glaze on the cake, and then I'm going to add some of the Oreos to the glaze. My plate wasn't big enough, so yes, some of my glaze ran off the cake, but I did clean up my mess. guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.